This is how to use a 1 liter CO2 cartridge loaded soda siphon. The soda siphon only has a few parts and is easy to assemble and use. Add exactly 1 liter of ice cold distilled water into the canister. Place the measuring tube in the canister opening and screw on the siphon head with the tube and washer attached. And make sure the siphon head is fastened tightly to avoid leaks. The lever on the side of the siphon cap releases the contents of the canister. Add a cartridge of CO2 to the holder and turn the handle to puncture the canister and release the gas into the water. CO2 cartridges can be bought online. Make sure the cartridges are the right size and made for the food industry. Since this is a 1 liter siphon size, use 2 CO2 cartridges or follow the manufacturer's recommendations. After you give the canister a good shake to help distribute the gas, screw off the handle and put in a fresh cartridge. The second charging sounds different as it enters the bottle. Give the canister another shake, remove the handle and spent cartridge, and put on a protective cap to protect the threads on the canister. The siphon is ready to use. Best to pressurize the canister shortly before intended use and store in the refrigerator. Fresh fruit soda is a great way to use the soda siphon. To make soda syrup, I cook the berries sous vide style, then allow the syrup to cool and thicken before straining. To make a fresh fruit soda, pour a fresh fruit syrup over ice. Gently squeeze the trigger to fill the glass with soda water and give a little stir. You can control the amount of sugar that goes into your soda. All natural and unprocessed flavors speak for themselves. Endless possibilities of flavors, and if you don't have a soda siphon, a bottle of sparkling water will work too.